trying to think of words to describe you, and I've been lingering here for 100 tiny pieces of crumpled paper. Midnight fills the room. I'm searching for you in the darkness, and then we take a ride through the streetlights. You tell me to calm down, 'cause my mind is in constant motion, and something in your voice makes me stop and breathe. But some days I remember that city, that plaid scarf, and those ink pen drawings, and sometimes I think about Saturday, late night movies all alone, thoughts to pictures, photos to songs. Yeah. And once upon a time, you left one city for another. Chicago was real nice, but it couldn't have you long. You had to come back home, and you are steady now. Yeah, you have had your ups and your downs, but no one sees things quite like you do. Your music fills the air, and our midnights over rhyme and rhythm that we feel turned into, hoping it would fall out of your fingers. And some days I remember that city, that plaid scarf, and those ink pen drawings, and sometimes I think about Saturday, late night movies all alone, thoughts to pictures, photos to songs. I just wrote to you, asking if you had a good memory, and if you're listening now, do you remember that? 'Cause some days, yeah, I remember that city, that plaid scarf, and your ink pen drawings, yeah. And sometimes I think about you Saturday, late night movies all alone, thoughts to pictures, photos to songs.
Early in the morning, before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here. We don't need to hurry, the road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. That gives me an idea. Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together. 'Cause 'Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year. The wind at your shoulders, soft-gent in our ears. There's a whole wide world about to unfurl, not so far from here. So let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here with her. Let's get lost together. 'Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year. Let's go disappear far away from here.
Even on the worst days, even on the best ones, I will fight for you. Even in the heartbreak, even when we win, I'll be loving you. Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change a thing. Even when the tears flow, even when we laugh a lot, I will stand with you. Even when the doors close, even when we have it all, it's always me and you. Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I'll be following you for the ride. I know that these days have been messing with you like a countless straight out makeup. And I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I've been cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. From the blinding lights of Chicago through the streets of Santiago, I will always be there and by your side. 'Cause sometimes we get stubborn, we forget where we come from. We can't see much beyond our nose. And I know there'll come a time we will leave it all behind. And I'm sure we are getting close. And from the golden domes of Bulgaria, up the cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. And from the blinding lights of Chicago to the streets of Santiago, I will always be there by your side. 'Cause you know that there is a blue sky hiding
day.